Hey guys, how's it going? It's your host today's Boogie. Thank you for tuning in on another video. Today we're here at Euro's Garage, a European automotive specialist, to buy a new project car. It's an old school Honda Civic converted into a pickup truck. You guys be sure to keep watching to learn more on this vehicle. Alright guys, so we're here, like I said, at the European Garage. I'm here with my dad in the back. We got the Armada pickup truck. Now I'm here with my cousin. Shout out to my cousin, you guys seen him before. We're gonna go ahead and get the car started. Yeah, see that pickup truck.
Is there a way we can crank the front of this up? That's got a high center because it's so low.
Yeah, I think it was just from the front.
Yeah, we need to crank the, you guys, I'm just saying for you guys,
To be
you're
easier.
gonna get stuck. You're gonna need to crank the front of this up higher. Harley an expert.
Hey, what's up, man? You want to give a quick little information? I'm a YouTube. You want to
What's up, guys?
This your shop right here? You just happen to,
This is our shop, man.
Alright.
Hey, where'd you get the U-Haul from? U-Haul right here. There's one right across the there's one right here. We have to like if you're not comfortable with this and you want to run up the line and take up the front floor, you want to go up there and be like, look, this is a long ball. It's like, ooh, man. Like I said, that's your call. If you're not comfortable with this, that's the we just gotta take it I mean, we're doing 5 going like 5 miles an hour. I wouldn't. I don't. Let me get your room out here.
So what they say about this?
gotta be safe inside.
Shout out to the homie right here. He's gonna take it for us because the ball on the lift thing right there for U-Haul was too big. So easily we took our chances. So we go ahead and get that guy right there to take it for us. So he's gonna go ahead and do us a favor. Then again, who knows, you know?
Edit that part. Y'all ready to go?
Yeah.
You gonna drive?
Oh, I was about to say what?
So we like to know, what do you think about it, you know, Alex? If it's okay or not. Hey, there's a Mexican right there, Alex.
It's not meant to.
You know, say a few words, you know.
Oh man, I don't know about the car yet. I just side glanced at it. I don't know, I like to have the engine up, but sometimes I don't know, it's too late. Still wash. Maybe it might look nice. But it's good. I like the rims, I ain't gonna lie. The tires too. It's a project. Something.
That's what I was telling to Alex. I bet it doesn't hurt.
I give it a smiley face.
Dad, you have like 3-4 projects.
You got the old car in the garage.
Because you know it's better,
Cadillac.
to me it's better to work on old cars than working on a new car.
Yep.
Because it's fun.
You know what you're doing. The new ones is just too much boo-boo.
The what?
The new one's too much.
I know, man.
Hassle.
Especially when you got to work with the problem with electrical. Oh, man.
much
pain in the
wiring.
butt. If you just move one little thing, that's it. No more.
Car won't start, or the brake light will draw.
Yeah. Like right now, my truck, I already make a turn on, and right now I'm adjusting all the problems with the carburetor. So I told Alex, let's come and go get this things that I need, you know, and you have this house over here. We can buy and we just go in and look at this baby and say, hey, we like it.
Which carburetor?
No, you good? Alright, now you can have you. Don't let them ride there.
That's my other baby right there.
Huh?
That's my other baby right there.
Which one?
The blue one.
This one?
That's my dad's. That's mine right there. It would be 1682.
Come on, man, it's special. Which one you want? Half price. Right now. Cash.
He tripping.
In my hand. Right now, man.
You quick,
Come
you
on.
ready?
Hey, what do you want to drink? What do you want to
It's
drink?
big, it's tiny,
What
huh?
you got? What? Oh. Just name your price. No, no.
Oh shit! Don't tell me the name.
So what do you want to drink, man?
You want something to drink, man? Got coffee or something?
I don't know if you got a beer.
Yeah, we got Bill. We got Bill.
Oh, you got a bit?
Maserati.
He said Maserati.
That's your price here? Yeah.
Oh, what
Yeah,
you
he
got,
don't.
big dog?
I got you a Corona in there, and I just gave you the rest of that cold, nice cold
see,
Ciroc.
I fuck with y'all.
It's cool, huh?
How much for it?
You want to charge me?
Oh no, these the homies.
Here's the home.
Here you go,
What's your
Jay.
channel? How many subscribers you got?
I got 240. I got 240. I'm reaching 100,000 at the end, 100,000 views at the end of this year for sure. You know what I'm saying? It's growing. I also got the Instagram popping. My cousin do a he do features and stuff like that too. So you know, I'm trying to do the whole. You know,
I just want to do YouTube.
Oh no,
You
yeah,
know, like
yeah,
funny skits and shit.
yeah, I feel you.
Yeah, that's all me. Comedy for real.
Yeah, yeah.
How about beer on me? Pops just don't give up, bro.
Yeah, it's cool, man. We appreciate it, you know what I'm saying? We know everybody out here, you know, some straight, you know what I'm saying?
We understand, man.
That's all good, big dog. So we're gonna have to wait.
Yeah, you got the number, you got all the info right there. But we appreciate you, man.
No problem, big dog. Y'all get the thing up and running. I got a 72 Buick Skylark ready to deploy it out the water.
Oh, okay, all right.
So, whenever y'all ready to do some tubing, I got my GoPro camera ready.
Well, just holler at me. I'm always on this. I'm always on the Insta, so just holler at me. Let me know. Any day. I'll let you know.
Don't tell me any day, because I can say tonight.
I'll say all right.
Alright, this y'all direct?
Yeah, right there. Holler at
I'm
me.
gonna hit you later on.
That's a bet.
I'm gonna go ride the bike right now.
That's a bet. Let me know, bro.
Meet you in a minute.
I bet.
Alright, man. Stay blessed.
There you go, Pops. There goes your car. How do you feel, man? Alright, guys. So we made it back home. There goes the car right there. You can see my big head cousin right there too. I'll go ahead and show you guys. There goes the car right there, and also there goes my other baby right there. Guess we got 2 new projects. Show you around. Those are 17-inch rims. I'm gonna go ahead and just give a quick detour, that way you guys can go ahead and tune on to the next video so you guys can see an in-depth tour of how it looks. My dad watching. Show you what it looks like here at the moment. Oh, look, I had to get a hook over there, lift up.
Hook?
But look, that's just a little conversion right there. Got the gas cap. It's really just the old school Honda, like I said, converted. The rims look cool though. I'm going to show you how it looks like inside. What the inside looks like. Like I said, I'll be sure to give you guys another indoor tail when it looks a lot cleaner. It looks pretty messed up in here, but I just want to go ahead and show you guys that way you guys can see what it looks like untouched. It does have some roof damage. Go ahead and show you what this looks like. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys can see the car must have been black before. They just painted the hood and some other parts on the outside just to make it look good. But there goes the engine, 1.5 manual, 4-cylinder. Yeah, guys, so that pretty much wraps up. Hey guys, so there goes my new project car. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys be sure to tune in and keep watching so you guys can see this car transform into something way much better. We haven't turned it on. The battery's not working right now. And it also needs some wiring on it. But you guys also, you know, you guys keep checking in on us and keep watching, subscribe, hit the subscribe button in the bottom of this video. You guys want to see some more. Thank you guys so much for watching and take care. God bless.